Hey, Natural Method YouTube. Do your hands feel like they have permanent pins and needles? Or do you feel more like a zombie with numb hands? If you suffer from carpal tunnel, you are not alone. Our friend Slow Like Honey also needs a natural method for this. Imagine how much better you will feel once your feeling comes back. Let's get started. Right hand, massage your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Massage strong. We want to generate friction heat. 5. Left hands. Massage your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands together and massage it up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't be shy. Rub as hard as you can. 2, 3, 4, 5. Massage it sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands together and downward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you stretch to the tension point. 3, 4, 5. Now inward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you rotate, please make a large circular motion. 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands and fingers together and stretch out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you stretch your arms all the way out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch all the way out and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Drop your hands down. Massage both hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And push it in as hard as you can and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Don't forget to get your free case study on how I breathe better and get rid of congestion. Click here.